going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today on Crypto News, we're talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's on a dip right now. Started this morning. Today is the 10th of July, and it is a little after 2 o'clock Central Time. Let's get into it. Okay, here we are on the hourly chart for Bitcoin. And as you can see, it's a nice uptrend, but we are taking a breather. Last night we hit 13,200, or right about 13,200. And we were looking to push past 13,000 because it's looking like 13,000 is some resistance. So we hit it. Today we came down, and today is the 10th of July. This is being filmed around 2:30 Central Time. So I'm going to draw some lines just to see, to get a feel where I think Bitcoin's going. So we're going to start down here at this low, come up about right there. Now this may not be totally accurate, but as you can see, it's a steady uptrend, and we're getting close to that trend line. So just watch Bitcoin, because this probably will be a good time if you're thinking about investing in Bitcoin. This will probably be a good time. This is a good little dip to get in, because I think we're headed back to 20,000. So if you like the video, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. This was just a quick update. See you in the future.